Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'm gonna connect my Flutter project to Firebase as an Android application. So to start, let's go to my project on Firebase, Android, and here I need the application ID, a unique ID. To get this, let's go to Android Studio, under Android Apps, Build Gradle, scroll down, and here basically the preference that you put here, your name, and the name of your project. So for example, here my name is Wafa, so I'm gonna put Wafa, lowercase, everything, and take this app ID, copy it and paste it here to the application Android. Then after that you need to download the JSON file. Once you get your JSON file, just drag it inside the app folder. Let me show you. I will go to download. Here is my JSON file, and here the app folder, so just grab it. Let me see. Doesn't work. Okay. Here it works. Now, yeah, I have my JSON file here. Do you want to add the following to the Git? Okay. Now let's go to Firebase. Okay. Now go to authentication. And here, start. We're gonna enable the email. Let's see. Activate. That's it. And then go to Firestore database. Create a database. This is by default. Wait. Then go to rules, and here change this to true and publish. Next, we're gonna go to storage, create a storage, get started. Apparently it already has been created, so let's go to rules and remove this, make it true instead, and publish. Yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.